So today I'm going to show you not a new property, just an interesting property that I'm going to shoot. So this one is right in the city centre of Edinburgh. One of the challenges definitely is going to be shooting this bathroom without my reflection being there or in there. So a good little bit of Photoshop possibly required for that. The main thing about this property is, yeah, it's fine. It's a nice little top floor room here. You've got your storage, got a big drum. That's quite cool. Drum turned into a bookshelf. Second bedroom, pretty cool in here. Tried to turn the lights on. The plugs don't reach, so that's a bit of a bummer. Need to move the painting out of the shot. That's fine. Then into the kitchen. Nice kitchen, nicely done. I think it looks pretty good. It's also got a bit of a skylight up here. Yeah, very nice kitchen in here. Good colours as well. And then living room. Nice TV in the corner. Little window up there. So a big picture. Yeah. So probably not thinking like, okay, Dom, what's the big deal? Well, the big deal, as I said at the start, this is right in the city centre, and the views are very cool. So combining the info of being in the city centre, the views are good. And that last room where we saw the skylight, we are actually right at the very top of a building, right off the Royal Mile. So that view's awesome. If I stick my camera fully out the window there, but that's not the main one. We're getting to the good bit. In here, you saw that? Oh yeah, looks like there's another little room here. It looks quite bright. Let's head in. Hold on a minute. Are we in one of the turrets of a very important building? In Edinburgh city centre, looking down onto the Royal Mile, we are right up in the top of the building. Unfortunately, it's not a sunny day, so we can't get any amazing shots, but look at that. I wonder... Yes, I can. Okay, let's see. This might not be the best way to take a photo, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. So there, look, bit scary, quite high up. All the way, if I go further out, that's Edinburgh Castle up that way. And I'll come back in. Thanks. And down the way, can we open this one? Nope, I can't open that one. Over that way is the Parliament. Down there. Yeah, how cool is that? Good lighting as well they've put in here. And disco lighting on the floor. Yeah, pretty cool place. What a view. What a view. Yeah. Well, just thought I had to share one of the coolest flats. One of the coolest flats I've been in Edinburgh. It's got a turret. Cool. A real turret. Historical one. Hundreds and hundreds of years old.